famies, welcome back to another video. I hope you are well and in good health. Remember, we are just a South African food content YouTube channel and we cook what we have in our houses. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share the video. Most importantly, watch those ads. Now, to our new subscribers, sangena. Ay, sangena. Anyway, let's cook chicken strips. That is our, we have our hot cooking oil, okay? One thing about us, I'm not a big fan of frying things, dipping things inside a whole lot of fatty stuff, but I'm doing it for the very first time and we are trying, okay? Now, we have our breadcrumbs, okay? With a little bit of parsley. You can use your flour as well. I've never done it with a flour. I don't know. Don't ask me. I use the bread, whatever. On the other hand, just get yourself one egg, okay? Because the economy is very high, and you know how much the eggs are in South Africa. They're very expensive, okay? Cool. So we used one. My brother, when you go to that restaurant, make sure you pay for one. Don't pay for two. Things are expensive. Okay, these are our chicken strips overnight stored inside spices. Now, you can put any spices of your choice. That doesn't mean already they're gonna add towards the crunchiness and the color of use any type of your favorite spices. I did that a night before, and yeah, that's why they were, because I wanted them to be yebo. Now you're going to take your strips, dip them inside your egg, right? Your beaten egg, and then as you are dipping, leave them a little bit, or alternatively you can just mix them. I mean, I was in a hurry, I was tired, I was in a hurry, so yeah, I was tired, I was in a hurry, so I didn't have the patience. After that, we are taking them back to weigh our bread, our mixture of breadcrumbs as well as parsley. That's what we are going to do. Yo, guys, don't mind that finger of a man. I told you in this house that God gave people nice fingers, and to me, as for me, he gave me hands of a man, and I'm okay with it. I'm okay with the fact that I've got hands of a man. It is well. We don't eat my hands, we eat the food. Okay, so we're gonna mix everything together. Just mix. Make sure that each and every part of your meat has a little bit of those creme, whatever you call them. Now, on the other hand, sorry about that. On the other hand, we have preheated our oil. Child, when I tell you that they are pakati inside, just like yourself when you enter into other people's relationship, you shall burn. Don't do it, I beg. Don't do it. I've warned you. Don't enter into people's relationship, my sister. You'll burn like this chicken. Don't enter because you don't know. You will die young. Hey. So anyway, make sure that you put them inside. You see, they are coming all right. They're not burned. They are just coming all right. Isn't that the beginning of the relationship? Baudira side, okay? They go slow in the beginning o side wena o tsena ka relationship ya batho o tseba wena le yena ta mo wena a o botsa wena wa no dumela ra ona a ona la ka bothata lena or wena o tsentšha yena. Anyway, ke a joke. Do what you feel like it. Hey, omolomo wa itiela dilo jaya, but pasopo. So ke mona rap dia and they are coming together all together. I don't want them to be okay. You have two choices: either to make them very crispy, but please don't turn them into a biltong. Ke a o rapela o ska ba dia chicken strip mo wapa. O ska overcook wa kry re sa tsebo rena re a ja or a regina, okay? It must be still soft, crunchy but soft, ne? So you will work out your heat and everything. I was using heat number 4, okay? Yes. So you see they are ready. Now what do we have? This paper towel inside. We have the paper towel so that we can absorb the cooking oil. It can absorb the cooking. Like I said, I'm not a big fan of frying things, so I don't like frying at all. So, but then, yeah, we don't have air fryer for now, so we'll use what we have in our house, which is cooking oil and a pan. This is the second load of our strips. They're coming all right. Oh my goodness, I'm so worried about even me watching this video. I'm worried about the amount of fat that is anyway, it's not that big. It's just that I don't like fried food. I do eat them there and there, but I just don't prefer fried food. So please, bless your sister with a air fryer. I'll make things happen. The content will be more easy. Imagine, with the air fryer, 2 minutes we are done. Anyway, yeah, that is how we made our chicken strips. I'm just packing them nicely so that you can see. Okay, after packing them, which I did off camera, make sure that you put a little bit of your lemon to soften them up. A little bit of lemon. You're just gonna squeeze lemon on top of them. It gives a very nice taste. And if they were too crunchy, it makes them a bit softer, right? Alternatively, if you don't have lemon, use your lemon juice. Okay, you can use your lemon juice. Others put honey, depending. I don't know, if you want them to be sweet whatsoever, you can also put a little bit of honey on top. But then, because of it was part of our dinner, which we had with rice, honey was not gonna be the perfect match for it. But then, if you are having them as a snack, I suggest that honey will do the best. Now, on the other side, I mixed just different types of sauces that I had in the house. Again, what do? We cook what we have in our houses. Okay, as I'm talking, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share the video. Most importantly, watch those ads. Okay, new subbies, sangena pakati inside. Welcome to the crazy world. Okay, cool. So we are done mixing up our sauce. We will be dipping it. Can just have it as a snack, your lazy day snack while watching TV or watching content, of course, learning about more food tricks. So yeah, this is basically our chicken strips, fried chicken strips. Anyway, with that being said, thank you very much for your time, famies. I pray that you remain well, multiplying, happy, healthy. And until we meet again, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share the video. Watch the ads. Please give suggestions. What do you want to see? Okay, or what would you like us to cook?